Yeah, hello everyone. I am Marut Dev Sharma. Uh, I'm delighted to welcome you on my online classroom. I'm from India, currently working as a research scholar in electronics and communication engineering at a central university in Shillong. I completed my BTech from Delhi College of Engineering in Electrical, my Master's MTech from Aligarh Muslim University, also from India, and I'm teaching undergraduate students for the last 15 years. And out of that 5 years, I worked as an assistant professor under UNDP program in South Africa. And what I can teach you right now, I can teach you a wide variety of subjects, which includes maths and physics at school and college level, electrical engineering and electronics, right? Because my graduation and masters are all in that. Since my PhD is in AI and robotics, so I can teach you safely robotics, sensors, and all AI concept, as well as data science and machine learning, and also some engineering subjects like electrical engineering, power system, control system, circuit theory, and blah blah things are there. So whether you are a school student or an undergraduate engineering student, so and simply you are curious to learn, so I will try to structure the lecture according to your level and the learning goals. As far as my teaching style is concerned, right? What can I do for you? It's a very student friendly, clear, and concept oriented. What I will do, I will break down the different topics into simple, understandable steps, taking into account the examples, real time, and some practical